today. Let's jump into calendar. The month is November. Yesterday was November 17th. If yesterday was November 17th, then today is November 18th. November 18th, let's fill it in. 11, 18, 2020. Write it in. November 18th, 2020. I know that today is Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, hop backwards to yesterday, and yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Yesterday we got a new rod and we had 40 days of school. If we were at 40 and I had one more, then now I see that we have 4 10s, 1 1, so that makes 41 days of school. Making 41 cents today, I'm going to go 25, 35, then I'm going to add a nickel to make 40, and a penny for 41. All right, let's know our words. To, be, into, she, of, we. All right, our number is 30, so that is 30 plus 0 equals 30. All right, I'm going to put 30 here. We're going to go backwards. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Our middle number is 59. What is 1 less? 58. 1 more. 58, 59, then 60. All right, look at your tens place and take 1 10 away and you'll have 49. 49, 59, 69. All right, 667. So our number is 667. Look at your hundreds place and take 1 away. You will have 567. Look at your hundreds place and add 1 more, and you will have 767. All right, our 2 numbers today are 245 and 924. I know that 900 is greater than 200, so I'm going to make sure that the mouth is facing what's greater.